Friends, today we are going to learn something interesting with a glass pipe and with a rectangular container. Fill the container with water. Now insert the glass pipe vertically into the water. Then water will rise in glass tube and the top surface of liquid not straight. It is curved and this shape is called as concave meniscus. Now instead of water, take mercury. Even with mercury, the top surface of liquid not straight. It is curved and the shape is called as convex meniscus. Do you see? Left side is concave meniscus and right side convex meniscus. Why the difference in the meniscus? Why they are not same? They are not same because of differences between the cohesive forces and adhesive forces. Friends, for every liquid, the shape of meniscus is different. We need to decide the shape of liquid meniscus. For that, we need to understand a concept called angle of contact. Before answering what is angle of contact, I want to show you something. What happens if water falls on lotus leaf? If water falls on lotus leaf, it not spreads on leaf, but the water stays on surface of leaf in form of droplets. Water does not wet the lotus leaf. But in case of glass, water spreads on glass surface as well as droplets are formed. We say water partially wets the glass surface. But in case of tissue paper, water spreads completely. We say water wets the tissue paper. So, water does not wet the lotus leaf and water partially wets the glass surface and water completely wets the tissue paper. Now, there are some important questions. Why water not wets the lotus leaf? Why water partially wets the glass surface? Why droplets not formed on tissue paper? Let us answer this question with the help of angle of contact. Now consider different shapes of liquid drops such as spherical drop, semi-spherical drop and flattened liquid drop. Now consider point A on each drop and draw a line touching the solid surface. Then you draw the tangents at point A to each and every liquid drop. Angle theta in each case called as angle of contact. From above discussion, we can define angle of contact as angle of contact, also known as wetting angle. It is the angle between liquid and solid. It is the angle between tangents drawn to the free surface of liquid and tangent drawn to solid surface at the point of contact, and measure enclosed angle between the tangents. In above figure, the point A is nothing but point of contact. Now some important points related to angle of contact. Angle of contact typically lies between 0 degrees and 180 degrees. In this figure, angle of contact is greater than 90 degrees. It is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. If the angle of contact greater than 90 degrees, then it is called obtuse angle. If theta greater than 90 degrees, then solid surface is said to be hydrophobic. And if theta greater than 150 degrees, then solid surface said to be superhydrophobic. In this figure, angle of contact is less than 90 degrees. Angle of contact is acute. If theta less than 90 degrees, then solid surface said to be hydrophilic. Characteristics of angle of contact. For given solid liquid pair, angle of contact remains same. The angle of contact depends upon type and nature of liquid and type of solid in contact. Angle of contact depends upon medium present above liquid free surface. It depends upon purity of given liquid. Angle of contact changes with temperature. As the angle of contact decreases, wettability increases. After all this discussion, let us come to the point. What is the reason for concave meniscus and convex meniscus? Concave meniscus due to liquid which partially weight a solid surface. In such case, angle of contact is acute. And what is the reason for convex meniscus? Convex meniscus is due to liquids which do not weight a solid surface. In such case, angle of contact is obtuse. And next question is, why water not weights the lotus leaf? Answer, due to high contact angle, it is more than 160 degrees. Next question, why water partially weights the glass surface? Answer, angle of contact lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Glass is little hydrophilic as well as little hydrophobic for water. Last question, why water droplets not formed on tissue paper? Answer, angle of contact is between 20 degrees to 40 degrees. So tissue paper is super hydrophilic. Therefore, water droplets not form on tissue paper.